Good afternoon, Sir Doc Lagos. I'm Jericho Fernandez. This is my presentation. The subject is Software Engineer 1. I'm Jericho Fernandez, BSC's evening class. This is my software idea. EcoTrack Waste Management and Recycling App. I want to develop this software to the all LGUs in Metro Manila. Okay, let's start. Introduction. In many parts of the world, waste management remains a critical yet overlooked challenge, from overflowing landfills and inadequate recycling system to the lack of proper sanitation in urban slums. Millions of people, especially waste workers and communities living near dumping sites, face daily struggle due to poor waste handling practices. These challenges are compounded by rapid urbanization, consumerism, and insufficient government support. As a result, the burden of managing society waste often falls on the shoulder of the most marginalized, exposing them to serious health risks, environmental degradation, and social stigma. Understanding their struggle is essential to building sustainable, equitable, and exclusive waste management system for the future. This is the sample of the photos to how to recycle waste management. Apps description. This eco this this is a sample of a application of EcoTrack. The number one, waste recycling and waste. EcoTrack is designed to help household, school, and communities track, manage, and reduce waste while promoting recycling habits. The goal is to make waste disposal efficient, organized, and eco-friendly. EcoTrack functions. Number one, waste collection scheduling. This is a sample of the apps in your Android phone and or Apple's phone. User can view the garbage truck schedule for their area. And second, send reminder for collection days. Every week, the truck is to remind you of your cell phone. You receive the notification if the truck is scheduling for this week. Number two, recycle waste tracking. It's a beautiful application. Records how much recyclable waste, plastic, paper, glass, etc. a household or school produce. Number three, Eco Points reward system. Eco Points rewards. Okay. User earn points for proper waste segregation and recycling, which can be exchanged for voucher or discount. So amazing points. if you segregate your garbage properly, you have the received points and use the voucher. Number 4, pick up request feature. Uh, if you want to pick up your garbage, something like that, user can request pick up a large waste item like old furniture or appliances. Number 5, recycling education. Okay. Provides tutorial and guides on how to recycle and reduce waste effectively. Community challenge. Organize friendly competition between school or neighborhoods to encourage more recycling. Unique features. QR code tag trash bag. Each household has a code to track waste habits. Real-time notification alerts when the garbage truck is nearby. Unique feature again. Carbon footprints calculator show the environmental impact of your waste. LGU. Data analytics LGUs help local government units see waste trend and improve collection system. Okay, thank you so much. This is my presentation for my software engineer 1. Thank you again, Sir Doc Alagos.